Mazda's adaptive LED headlamps, or ALH, improve visibility at night and prevent other drivers from being blinded by your headlamps. The headlamps feature a row of LEDs, each one illuminating a different section of the road ahead, while a motor controls the height of the headlamp beam according to the speed you're travelling. There's also low beam LEDs that illuminate a wider area on either side of your car. ALH allows you to use high beams continuously without blinding other drivers. The feature is activated when the headlamps are set to auto and the lever is in the high beam position. A forward-sensing camera monitors the road ahead and automatically switches the headlamps between low and high beams as needed. When there's a vehicle in front, the system will detect its position on the road and switch off selected LEDs to illuminate the area around the other vehicle. At speeds over 95 km per hour, the system automatically raises the headlamp beam so you can see further ahead. When an oncoming vehicle approaches, the system will switch off selected LEDs to avoid blinding the approaching driver. And when driving at or below 40 km per hour, wide, low beam lights illuminate further to the sides of your car to help you detect obstacles. This smart, automatic technology means you don't need to manually change your headlamps while driving. Simply activate the ALH feature and the system does the work to maintain superior visibility during your drive. Adaptive LED headlamps, part of Mazda's i-ACTIVSENSE safety technology.